On April 19, 2025, officers responded to a public park for a call of a battery.
Hey, the lady in the blonde hair is really... Okay.
Let's go, Kaden. Let's go. We know we there. Let's go. Please, thank you.
Okay, so we were sitting on the little thing.
Can I talk? No, it happened to me.
I will talk to you just in one moment, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
If you want to just go have a seat right over there, yep, I'll be with you just a moment.
Sorry, sir. Okay, if you mind stepping over here, please. So it all started, we was at the park with the kids. So I'm a little shaken up trying to calm her down. We was all sitting, she's on the chair with the baby. Her and my daughter was selling thing. She was sitting on the swing for a long time. This lady right here in the green and the blue little garment thingy.
Okay.
She was sitting there for a long time. So my wife went over to sit next to her, started swinging, and she was swinging normally, you know what I'm saying? And then her daughter came over with a broken arm, and she said, my wife's over there swinging where her daughter was. She's swinging kind of, fast, because it's a swing, you know what I'm saying? She's like, can you slow it down, please? She's like, man, you've been on this swing for a long time, and now your daughter comes over with a broken arm, you're going to tell me to slow it down, but my daughter can't enjoy her time. So she started yelling at my wife, right? So she's yelling at her, and then she starts, man, don't talk to me like that. And she's like, so, you know, females, I go back and forth. She starts recording her with my daughter right there. So my wife smacks the phone out of her, and the lady punches in the face. What's the reaction out of that?
Right here is where everything shifts from a verbal disagreement into a legal situation. The key detail? The phone gets slapped. That moment might seem minor emotionally, especially if someone feels provoked, but legally, that act can be considered physical aggression. And once that happens, the other party's response, whether justified or not, enters the realm of self-defense. Notice how both sides are already framing themselves as the victim. One says, "She hit first." The other says, "I was reacting." This is exactly where cases like this become complicated. So let me ask you, if someone puts a phone in your face, would you react the same way or walk away?
Okay. So that's what it got escalated. She started yelling, started pushing, and that's my wife with her back. And then the men come over thinking, oh, you're doing this in front of ladies. And she got this lady coming, and my wife's like, yo, y'all, all she said was like, you didn't need to, don't record her. She slapped the phone out your hand. You didn't hit her. That's all she did. You asked your belonging, but there's no right for you to record somebody in her face like this.
Okay, who was recording?
That lady right there in the green and the white. The one that punched my lady in the mouth.
Okay. So which one's your wife?
This one right here. The one that's a little hyped up right
Gotcha.
now.
Okay.
That's why I don't want you to talk. It's a little hyped
So
up.
anyone can record. You can't smack someone because they're recording. If you're
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. She's punched her. All she did was just smack her phone. Like, don't hit like the phone. So she went down and punched her in the face.
She
got
first.
Yeah, she got a bloody lip.
Okay.
She hit first. She smacked the phone.
She smacked the phone out of her hand.
Who smacked the phone?
This girl smacked the phone out of her hand.
Okay.
Causing the reaction.
She caused a reaction, and she kept recording. Yeah, she kept telling her, don't record. My daughter's here.
Okay.
But there's a minor
You're
there.
not allowed to slap somebody's phone.
But there's a minor there, though. You
Right.
can't record when there's a minor there.
There's nothing that says you can't record when there's a minor there. If you're in a public...
Okay, well, she slapped the phone out of here.
If you're in a public location, you can record.
This is a critical legal clarification moment, and the officer is absolutely right here. In most public spaces, recording is legally allowed, even if it feels invasive or disrespectful. There's no automatic legal protection just because a minor is present. That's where emotion and law collide hard. The wife's reaction, slapping the phone, might feel justified from a parental standpoint, but legally, it's seen as initiating physical contact. And once you initiate contact, you risk losing the legal high ground. This is one of those moments where knowing your rights and your limits can completely change the outcome.
Okay, but she should have.
She's recording my daughter in her face.
Anyone can, but when you're in a public
But she's not gonna do it in my face.
Anyone can record.
That's fine, but she's not gonna do it in my face. I don't care where she's able to do it, but she's not gonna do it in my face.
I should have slapped the
All right,
phone.
do you guys have this video, or they all have it?
They all have it. They
We
recorded
don't.
it.
All
Hey,
right.
relax. Come down.
No, I'm ready to
No,
go.
come
We
down.
don't gotta talk.
No, come down now.
Let's go.
Okay.
The reaction is
So, hang on. Ma'am, just hang out here.
Yeah, let's go. We don't gotta talk to you.
You have video?
We really don't, though. In all reality.
Just hang on.
No.
Do they have video?
They don't have video, but she's making noise.
It's the opposite. That's what they're saying. She was recording her,
We ain't talking about you, but if you want to get
she
to it, we
swatted
can.
the phone out of her face, but she got it in her face. and then they have the video. Here's video.
Would you like somebody in your face? That's all. I'm sorry.
All right, listen, man, do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay, what's your name?
I can't touch that.
Okay, baby, just ma'am, right now we're conducting an investigation, so you're going to need to identify yourself.
For what? I didn't do anything.
Still doing it. So she just smacked the
You
phone.
punched someone in the face.
No, they hit me first. You see that?
So then she came over.
What's that? Retaliate first. They hit me first. They retaliated
Okay.
first. I just retaliated. So.
Who has the video?
My
Who has the video? Can I watch the video?
Yeah, right here. I got everything right here.
Looks like the original plan.
What happened before this, though?
This lady was already on everything on right here.
Okay, wait.
She was on the swing.
Does anybody have anything that, like, when it actually happened? This is all after.
No.
My sister was sitting on the swing.
This lady was recording. She didn't do anything. Here she already punched me. She called the little kid right here. She called little underage and
You see her punching my sister.
she also punched my sister. She pushed her on the floor. She literally punched me from here to there.
You have the video, too?
When I started to record her, she just pushed my phone off.
Do you have that on video, though? Yeah. Can I see?
Look. Why I record her? Because she... Look. She started screaming at me.
She's gonna make you smoke out in the street here. She's gonna make you smoke weed.
If they have a medical marijuana?
Yeah, I thought medical marijuana.
I just told her, you cannot go fast.
No, this is, yeah.
Then she had my phone. So
She knocked it. You can see she knocked it.
Is that?
This
Wait,
is
what
what
did she
it's
just say?
called.
You lucky I don't hit you again.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. My sister did not touch her.
yeah, I didn't touch it. I didn't say anything.
She smacked her on her face. She smacked her phone.
Just I told her I have a little kid. She broke her arm.
Do you want to press charges?
Yes, I did.
Now we're entering the he said, she said phase, but with a twist. Video evidence is involved. And in modern cases like this, video often becomes the deciding factor. Notice how both sides are confident the footage supports their version. That's a huge red flag that perception and reality may not line up. Also pay attention to how quickly this escalates into both parties wanting to press charges. That's a common emotional reaction, but legally, it doesn't guarantee anything. The police, and eventually a prosecutor, decide what charges stick. So here's the real question. If the video only shows part of the story, how should that influence the outcome?
Yes, and I'm gonna press charges too. Yes,
I'll get all
because
of
she hit me.
She picked
She
her up
literally
and
punched
smacked her on the
me
floor.
from here to there, and I didn't do anything. I only was just because she was hitting this lady. I don't know her, okay? I just saw her start calling her name. I only got involved just because she started calling her name. This lady was on the here with her family, and she came sitting
have
next
ID?
to her. Yes, I have ID.
May I see it, please?
But if we pressing charges, we're gonna press charges because I got a fat lip and they got nothing.
Okay, well, ma'am, I watched on video, so it's.
You can watch on video, but
I'm not gonna go into it right now because I haven't
Okay.
read you your rights and I can't speak to
I
you
have a
about it because you're
question.
not free to leave.
Did I punch them in their face before they touched mine?
I watched on video where they started recording and you hit them.
Yeah.
So they didn't hit me?
That's after the punch, sir.
They didn't hit me?
After the punch. You got people here that
So on the recording, they didn't hit me?
That's after the punch.
Well, on
She
the
got defensive
recording
afterwards.
They didn't
is
hit
when
me?
you hit the phone out of their hand
And they didn't hit me?
So
So-
how she recorded?
because they got hit first.
No, that's how we know it's all bullshit.
Right. You can't hit me
I didn't hit you.
and then I hit you back. That doesn't.
Phone, sir.
That is the person.
This is where the officer draws a hard legal line, and it's not what the suspect wants to hear. The distinction being made is crucial. A phone is considered property, not a person. So striking it still counts as initiating force. The suspect keeps trying to justify her actions emotionally, bringing up her child, the recording, the situation, but the law is focused on sequence. Who made physical contact first? That's everything in cases like this. You can feel the frustration building because, in her mind, she's defending her family, but legally, that defense may not hold. Do you think the law should account more for intent in situations like this?
That's not a person. A phone is not a person. Why are they recording my 10-year-old daughter?
She asked you to get out of the face.
Let's be
Ma'am,
real.
we've gone over this.
I didn't go.
I get you wrong, but at the end of the day, it's in her face, in her daughter's
Babe, I'm ready to
face.
go. This is why I didn't want to
And this
stay
guy
here
that
on the
he's-
legal
what you
terms.
It's public property.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
So I wanted to leave.
Ma'am.
So I wanted to leave because I'm not from here. I don't do this shit. I don't do this shit.
It's corny. Like, I get.
What's corny is me staying here.
Can you
That's what's
stop that,
corny.
please? Like, he understands. I explained to him already.
We don't talk to these people.
Baby, stop.
No, get out of here.
I get the phone is a private property or whatever I'm saying, but she told her to get the phone out of her face, and I'm like,
What's the phone?
you know what I'm saying? I could have reacted to different levels.
How many of them are there attacking me? And y'all sitting here like that. Here.
There was 4 people who was
I'm ready to go.
Including 2
beds.
Miss Perez.
She's just talking. I know. She's just talking, baby.
Including 2 beds. Where's Caspian? You worried about them? Where's my son? I ain't worried about them.
Ma'am. She will go look for the children.
I'm trying to look for my kid.
Ma'am.
Worry about them.
Ma'am, I'm worried about you right now.
Mister.
Okay.
But
So,
why ain't you worried
listen.
about them? They put hands on me.
Yeah.
Why ain't you worried about
If you
them?
don't stop, you're gonna be
Babe,
detained.
no.
Relax.
Why ain't you worried about
If
them?
you don't stop, you're going to be detained.
Okay, mister.
You understand? She is
Mister.
going to go look for the children.
What's your name? Mr. Grant?
Yes.
Why ain't you worried about them?
I am worried about it. I'm worried
So go
about
worry about
everybody
them.
involved.
No, you worry about me.
And you said,
Worry about them because they put hands on me.
Did you
I didn't put hands on them.
Have you gone to
They put hands on me.
Okay.
Relax. Are you gonna read them their rights? Have you read them their rights? Have you said that
I
to
don't
them?
have to read them
I know,
rights
but
right
have you
now.
said that to them though?
I don't have to.
I know, but have you said that to them though? You didn't put that gesture to them, but you put it to
I don't
my wife. That's
have
what
to.
got her.
You said it
That's what
I
got her.
don't have to. You're not understanding. You're not. She
Fuck out of here. They
speak
punched
to
my
her.
face.
I know, but you
That's
got
what
her
happened.
It's easily justifiable why it isn't part 8, right?
You get what I'm saying? You finish.
I mean, she's
can
not
read your rights.
admitting don't person and all that.
Yes, they did.
Yeah.
Stay loud. I'ma stay loud.
Well, if she has an ID, she can be.
I'ma stay loud.
let go
You
and
your
everything.
child. Your daughter. Your
daughter.
daughter. Out of here. I'ma stay loud. But y'all white people gonna fight with them. Out of here. No. I ain't gonna stop. I'm done. Out of here. Where's Katie?
I know.
I'm ready to go. Out of here. I'm ready to go. No. Being turned.
I mean, she's.
Katie!
I can smell it.
Let's go. Walk.
We're gonna set this
I had a
up.
manhandle you. Let's walk. I had a manhandle you. I got tips. I had a manhandle you.
Stop.
Yo, are you
Stop. You're not leaving. I already told you several times you're gonna be
So what did I
detained.
do? So what did I do?
Stop.
So what did I do?
Stop.
Read me my
Stop.
rights and tell me what I
Stop
did.
moving.
Read me my rights
Stop
and tell me
moving.
what I did.
Stop.
I'm not moving. Read
Stop.
me my rights and
You
tell me
are.
what I did. Read me my rights and tell me what I did.
That's what we're gonna do.
Read
I don't
my
know
rights.
when you graduated the police academy, but we don't have to read your rights.
You don't have to?
No, this isn't a TV show.
This is another major misconception we see all the time thanks to TV shows. The suspect demands her rights be read immediately, but in reality, officers only need to read Miranda rights before a custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. The officer even says it bluntly, "This isn't a TV show, and here's where things get worse." Resisting, arguing, and refusing to comply can quickly add additional charges or strengthen the case against you. What started as a park dispute is now escalating into something much more serious, simply because of how it's being handled in the moment.
So what am I getting arrested for? I'm asking you.
Battery.
So battery of what? Battery of what?
Battery.
Battery of what?
Baby, stop.
What did I do?
Stop.
Stop. Battery of what?
Moving.
Battery of Battery of what?
I talked to her right because she
Battery
just
of
pacing back
Hold on
and
to the
forth.
kid so we can get her out of this area.
Battery of what though?
She's pacing back and forth. She has not left this area.
Battery
She
of
has not
what?
left this area. She's
Take
not
my
left this
keys,
area,
babe.
yo.
Pay time. Push my keys.
no.
She can't have my keys.
Everything on you stays
Wait,
with you
so
right
my
now.
kids gotta stay?
Ma'am,
You're
stop. What are you
my
doing?
kids need their keys. They
Okay,
gotta go home.
everything on you stays on you until we
Two white
search you.
boys. Two white boys. Break my shoulder again. Break my shoulder some more. Excuse me,
Stare
can I
around
get
it.
detained by a woman? I want to be detained by
Stop.
a woman.
We're gonna need to stop.
Well, I want to be detained by a woman.
She's
I
gonna
can't be
search you.
detained by a woman. I'm asking y'all to be detained by a woman and y'all not approving it. You're not approving it? You're hurting my shoulder. I'm asking to
gonna
be
relax?
detained by a woman.
Are you gonna relax?
What's your name?
Peter, are you gonna relax?
Peters. I'm asking you to be detained by a woman.
You don't get to fucking pick how this works.
Oh, so you get to choose how you treat me?
Have you ever been arrested
Wait, plenty of time.
So you get to choose how you treat me because you're hurting my shoulder right now.
Go to the left. Go far
And
left.
I'm asking for a lady. I'm asking for a woman.
Yeah. Did you take any drugs or anything?
Drug test me. I don't do drugs.
Because you're acting
That's
very
great. And
irrational.
I'm gonna act like this. And I'm gonna act like this. I don't do drugs. I'm gonna act like this. Because I had 2 people punch me in my face and y'all arrested me.
But you didn't give a... What's your name, Alicia?
No, it doesn't matter. No, it ain't me. No, it ain't. But it is. Lost 100 pounds. Hey, how you doing?
So what's your name?
I don't know.
Is your name Ashley?
Nope. Arrest me. And that's my name. That's me. Can you let go of me?
Absolutely. Now you're definitely going to jail.
Fuck, good.
Yeah,
Let
so
me go to jail.
False.
And y'all going to jail too.
Yes, you are. You are going to jail. You falsely identified
yourself.
yourself.
I got 2 grown
And you live in
men.
Altamont Springs, which is not Tampa.
I don't. I live in Tampa. I live in Tampa, boo-boo. You want my address? We got 2, 3 grown-ass men arresting me, manhandling me. Take me in the car. Take me.
And just like that, what began as a disagreement over a swing and a phone ends with criminal charges, battery and resisting arrest. From a legal standpoint, the turning point was clear. The moment physical contact was initiated by knocking the phone away. Everything that followed built on that. This case is a powerful reminder that emotions, no matter how justified they feel, don't override the law. Public recording, personal space, self-defense. These are all areas where misunderstanding the rules can have serious consequences.